Recently, Zara made another intervention in the House of Commons, this time under parliamentary privilege. Now, you may be surprised to learn that neither we nor any other British media can report or play the content of that intervention. That's because Zara used parliamentary privilege, which protects her from prosecution while in the chamber, to reveal the contents of a court order restricting reporting on a certain aspect of a criminal case. To breach that order outside of the chamber of the House of Commons is to potentially be in contempt of court. Now, while we can't report or discuss the contents of Zara's statement in the House, it is connected to very general issues relating to the law around jury trials and the government's current attack on them, as well as to counter-terror law. But before I get to that, I was really surprised to learn that the British media has no absolute right to report on what MPs say in our own Parliament. In fact, the only publications that do have an absolute right are the official organs of Parliament, Hansard and Parliament TV, both of which have a statutory duty to record and publish everything.
That privilege that MPs have is an important one, and I have only ever used it once, and it was on this particular issue. But the fact that only Parliament TV, only Hansard can report on it tells you what the British state is all about. And it is about curtailing our rights to organise, to resist, to challenge when the state overreaches. And I think it is scary. Often I find MPs saying, well, we can't do this because in the future you could have a reform government and what they will do is much worse. And we see that with the vote that happened on cumulative disruption. We see that with the removal of jury trials. We see it when the government's chosen to prescribe organisations it doesn't like because they are targeting Israeli death factories. Actually, I think that is a false argument to make. We don't have to worry about a reform government in the future. We need to be worried about this government that is attacking all of our civil liberties right now. And the fact that American organisations and non-UK organisations are the only ones reporting on this is scary. How do we organise against this? And how do we fight back? I think these are really important questions around all of our civil liberties, and I'm scared that a lot of people don't even know what's happening.